Yo, what's good, y'all? It's a great day. Welcome to Road to 10K. Give me a second. Today, I ended up losing $83 on the eval. I know I wasn't. I know, guys. Do not be bad at me. I knew I said I wasn't gonna trade, but I got on the charts last night. I lost to some dumb shit. I'm gonna show y'all the trade I took. Discord link about everything's about. But yeah, let's get straight into it. So as y'all can see right here, these are the executions and. Cool. So right here, I went one contract right for 1-to-1. We tapped into a 5 minute gap and got the 1-to-1 hit right. But boom, we broke past this high right here. I threw another contract, so then that moved my stops up here around here. So then when it broke past this high again, I threw another contract, and we were up around like $100 in profit when we had that push right there. And I was break even. But when we came down, my sell like right here, like you can set this up. It was at 1, so I still had 2 in there when it hit my break even. So that made me lose all of the money, and I lost 100. Let me see how much I actually lost. Yep, $81. So that's very, very unfortunate. Other account 81 as well. This account right here is at 24,891. So this one has like 500 more to lose, but I promise you I will not lose that. I swear. We're about to run it up this week. Tomorrow is the first day back on the charts for real, and I know I should have took a trade today, but it's all good. Let me show y'all what we're working with on the day. Cool. Alright, so boom. This is what we're looking like for the month. We got the losing day today. Come back tomorrow. We're gonna win, so that's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 wins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 losses. Which is it's not bad. We're still over 50% this month, but it's not ideal. We want to be around that 70% hit range. And yeah, man. So next week we're gonna run this up. Get back in profit on the accounts is the ideal goal. But really I can't be worrying about the money. It's all good though. But yeah, man, not really much else to say. I know I keep being non-disciplined, but I'll get some back testing in for y'all right now. And I finally learned after yesterday. I fully committed to not trading and I really disciplined myself yesterday. As soon as I did that, I went out there and hit like 50 push-ups. I'm in there. I gotta just get my mind right, bro. And I can't keep doing this because that's self-sabotage, bro. And I can't. My problem is I'm trying to rush. I'm trying to get to the end goal, but I just can't do that. See what I'm saying? But let's go ahead and get into some replay trading. I'm gonna get around like maybe 3 sessions for y'all. Yep, so let's get to it right now. Cool. Alright, so you go to the 4-hour. Get this out the way. Right now we are showing like we want to go get this key level right here. Boom, right here. And we have this 4-hour high right here. Go to the 1-hour. This is a 4-hour gap as well. We have a baby 4-hour gap. Let's see if we have it on the 1-hour. We do have one on the 1-hour. As you can see, we are currently rejecting off of that 1-hour. We have this low right here, so I am going to be very bearish today until we take out this low right here at least. Maybe want to manipulate higher, go get this high right here, or this one right here. Cool. All right, now you go to the 15 minute and mark out all of our gaps. We have this one right here. Did we inverse him? Nope, we did not. So let's mark this one out. Boom. 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 Let's drag him down. Alright. Now we have a 15-minute gap right here. Maybe show some rejection off of being well respected right now. As you can see, we just got another tap into it. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. Let's go to the 5-minute now. Don't want to make it too overcomplicated, but boom, we have this one right here. 5-minute. This one's been inverse. We have 5-minute all the way up here. And that looks about it. We might have another one over here. We do have a 5-minute right here. Great 5-minute. And then we have one right here as well. So go ahead and the charts are all set up. As y'all know, I like to go from the highest time frame to the bottom. Now let's check the daily one more time to really see where we're going. And yeah, we look pretty bearish today. Let's get this chart right. So let's just right Alright, and as you can see, we are accumulating right now, so I would want to see manipulation up, and then I can take some sales from here. But seems as if we're going to manipulate lower. We didn't take out that low, though. I would expect this to, but boom, okay. Now, let's see if we got any inversion. We got this 1 minute right here, but I would want to see a 5 minute inversion. But we didn't get. Tap into that 5 minute, and boom, we got a big close of it to the next one. We really didn't sweep out any liquidity on the low side, which is kind of concerning to me. And as you can see, boom, we dropped down. ES is still wanting to go a little bit higher, as y'all can see, so we're gonna wait, just be a little bit more patient. And boom, there we go. We got the nice sell-off that we was waiting for. ES is also kind of coming along with it. We have a good wick on that candle. No gaps really inversed on this drop down. So now we just have to be patient. We didn't get any inverse gaps. It's 5 minutes from all the way back here, so we will not be taking that. Boom, go straight through this one. Now we got rejection off of that. So let's see what happens here. ES also showing that it still wants to kind of go up. So that's good. That's a good sign. Let's go here. Boom. Let's see if we have any gaps. 3 minute, 2 minute. Okay, I will wait for the 2 minute gap to get inversed, but as you can see, and boom, we got it right here. So I like this play right here. We swept out all the liquidity. We tapped into a 5 and 15 minute. Put our stops in there here. We already did our stop loss hunt, which is right. Sorry about that. But we have good break evens on this as well. We did our stop loss hunt with this candle right there. As you can see, we came and got our stop loss, but we didn't enter into the trade. So let's go ahead and go 9. Buy TP right here. This is a perfect TP right at the 1 hour draw. We have a good break even, which is right here. This is just a very good trade. I like this trade very much. But yeah, man, let's go ahead and see. Boom, break even. That's what we like to see. Now, boom, TP hit. Look at that. Great trade right there. That was a perfect A+ setup. I can't ask for anything else out of a setup that was perfect. Picture perfect. Let's do one more just to show y'all once again what my thoughts are. So boom, New York session, let's go to it. Reset chart view over here so we can see what's going on. ES is currently selling off. And we did open up this new gap, so let me mark out this gap right here. Boom. Alright, so we are currently selling off. Let's mark out this low as well. Boom, boom, boom. Boom right there. Boom right here. And boom right there. Alright. Let's go into the 1 hour. See if we're okay, so now we're rejecting off this 1 hour gap. So we're definitely bearish again today. But as y'all know, last trade was a bearish trade coming into the day, but we ended up switching it up once we saw how we swept out liquidity. We got our play and we formed. So never marry a bias, but it's always good to have one of them. You see what I'm saying? Go to the 15 minute. Let's mark out our 15 minute gap. This one inversed. Not too many 15 minute gaps. This might be a 5 minute gap type of manipulation type of day. Boom, put this right there. 15 minute, and we might get a gap, market open, but as y'all can see, we do have a lot of 5 minutes, which is what I like to see. Boom. 5 minute gap right here. 5 minute gap right here, and that's about it. We do have a 5 minute up here at this 1 hour high time frame. I would want us to continue to go lower, and then maybe we catch a long, or we bounce back into this 5 minute right here, and then catch some shorts. Paste it to the time at the bottom. Alright, and we did end up creating a 15 minute gap, which is right here, so let's go ahead and mark him out. Hopefully we can get some manipulation into him before we continue to sell off. Alright, and now market open. Let's see. Boom, perfect. Exactly what we wanted. So now let's wait for let's see if we get see, we don't get an inversion here, but let's get another tap into that gap. Maybe again. Perfect, perfect, perfect. And as you can see, it looks like we're going up, but we might want to go take out that 1 hour high time frame up there. Let's see what gaps we have to offer. We don't have any 2 minute, don't have a 3 minute, maybe a 1 minute. We don't even have, well, we had a 1 minute up here. ES is continuing to sell it off. I do like this, how it came back down. I will go ahead and take this just because it's going with our bias, and we are, boom, go 1-to-1. And our break even can be this right here. Boom. Alright. We have the 1 minute inversion right here, which is nice. We already stop loss hunted, which is very good. I do like this play right here. And let's see if this was a good trade or not. TP, can we come down, TP? Thank you. Alright, cool. Now we're in the game. Yes, it's continuing to sell off. I do like this break even already. Good break even trade, and this is probably a break even, which it is. And yeah, but that's why you have break evens in the game. That's why that low right there was the best break even. But yeah, man, that's 2 trading setups for y'all right there. Just to give y'all my, my process of thinking. But let's see if we can catch another one since that was break even. This 15-minute gap is not even inversed. Just looks like bad price action, but as you can see, the 15-minute gap did get inversed. Let's see a retracement to this one right here. Boom, boom. Let's see if we get some retracement to that one. No 5-minute gaps. Just look at the candlesticks on these. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, tap into the stomach is dying. What the hell? Boom, we tapped into it. Now let's see if we want to continue to go up or if we want to go down. Which we do. We're displacing. Yes, good, showing good rejection. And that's exactly what we do. We do this. Let's wait for the 3 minute just for a little bit more confirmation. That's going to be in the next 3 minutes. So boom, we get this. Which we do not get confirmation on that. So that's why you always have to wait for the highest time frame. And as you can see, it looks like we're just going to chop that one 42. Let's see how this one will play it out. Put my stops right under here, and a 1-to-1 is right here. Boom, break even here. This is just probably going to be not a win just because of the price action we're getting, but we did get the 3-minute inversion, which I like to see. And as you can see, I knew this probably wasn't going to be a win just because of the price action, but I can tell. You see what I'm saying? I can tell if it's not going to be a win or not. But thank y'all so much for coming out to this video. I hope y'all enjoy it. Yeah, man. Peace, love. Tomorrow I will not be live, but I will come out with a trade recap, so thank y'all so much. Hope y'all enjoy it.